let's do a lash lift. I've never done a lash lift before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm also got a summer cold. Yay! But we'll figure this out. Okay, so I have these M2 Slight silicone things you put on top of your eye. So let's see how I can get these on. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Hello. Now we need to put the glue on my lashes and on the silicone. Okay, now I need to like spread them out and like get them all on the silicone. So, okay, they're all on. Now I need to put the perming stuff on it. Okay, I'm applying the perming stuff, and it says to keep it on for about like 13 minutes, so I'll come back. Okay, the second part was to put on the fix lotion. So I put that on, which it's blue. Now I have to wait another 12 minutes and then we can take it off. Okay, and now it wants me to take it off. Give me a second. Okay, it just wants me to use a little damp pad and just kind of like clean everything up. Okay, then the last step is I have to use, what is it? This Nourish lotion. And just use a Q-tip and go over it. So give me a second. Okay, that is one lash lift done. It doesn't look bad, actually. I thought it was gonna look worse. Let's try and attempt the other eye, and I will be back when that is done. Alrighty, I'm back. I did the other eye. I thought it went better than the first one, but there's not as much lash there as there is in this eye. But that's what the eyes look like. But yeah, we used the Luxe Lash Lift Kit, if anybody wants to know what that was. But yeah, and that's how you lift your lashes.